first we have to cut it down, then we have to change these to banana sockets. This is an old amplifier. A customer used to bring it here for some minor upgrades. So the front panel is changed to a new one, and the back side you can see I used to cut here and remove that speaker connection area, speaker terminal area for connecting banana socket there. This is a 5.1 amplifier, so we need 6 banana socket for that 6 channel, 5.1 channels. So most of the people don't know how to banana socket upgrade their old amplifier. In this video, let us see how you can change the speaker terminal, old type speaker terminal area to a banana socket from your home itself. That amplifier was a 5.1, and here this is a fresh new cabinet for assembling a 5.1 or 2.1 amplifier. Here you can see the front left, front right, SL, SR, sender and sub connection, and with this cabinet I will be assembling 2.1 amplifier. So on the top and the middle it will be left and right, and at the bottom it will be subwoofer output. So for that we need certain materials to make it possible. So here I will show you acrylic sheet. Now we usually used to make certain changes on amplifier using acrylic sheet. So this is an acrylic sheet. It's black glossy acrylic sheet. So for that 5.1 channel I have done a 5.1 channel output. This is a banana socket setup that we need to fix on that 5.1 amplifier. Here is a mic socket also. I have included that mic socket also, because that front panel we don't have the space to connect the mic socket also. For connecting I used to just write it down which connection comes to which point, and here you can see sub, sender, left, right, SL, SR. This panel is made using this type of acrylic sheet. Here at the back side you can see I have glued all the bolt area, because if they are keeping the amplifier on the speaker box, then there will be certain vibration while there is a bass. There should not be any dry or loose connection. Now we need to just connect the speaker connection, and after that I should drill 4 holes here and screw it to the metal body, or you can just use SR, synthetic rubber adhesive, SR gum, to fix it. Okay, so that's the way we usually make it for a fresh amplifier or for any type of amplifier from our home itself. You can see they are so close together because there is no space here. So if you are assembling a complete back panel, then you can have that space in between. So let me show you how 2.1 banana socket area is made. So for that we need to take the measurement and mark it on the acrylic panel. Here on both sides you can see a paper, so you can easily mark, write or do everything here, and finally you can cut it down. So the dimension is around 7.5 centimeter and 9 centimeter. We have to cut it from acrylic sheet. This is a cheap hand tool that we use to cut acrylic sheet. Now mark that 7.5 mm and 9 mm on this sheet, and then we have to cut it. You must be careful while using this tool. You can place it from inside also, but I usually prefer fixing it from outside, and by keeping in that way we need to mark the space where we need the banana socket to come. we have to place the balance out at the center of the mark, and then make it maximum correctly from each side, and then mark the center point. After that only we can make the hole. Okay, now first of all let me show you how it will be after fixing the banana socket there on the cabinet. So I'm keeping this here just to show you how it will be after the final result, and this is the way it will look. You can see the socket is correctly look at here, it is correctly got inside the cabinet without any effort. So this is the final look that after fixing the screws. You can also, as I told you earlier, you can also use SR gum for fixing this. Okay, so I hope this is the easier way to connect a banana socket, right? You will find various types of banana socket in the local market or online, but this one is the best quality, best option, best product that I have used, and I recommend also. So if you still have any doubt related with such an upgrade, please comment below. We will do a video on that.